Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl here, Glowbysha. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a beginner friendly eyebrow tutorial. This is why I'm like so zoomed in today. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, comment, like this tutorial. So I'm just going to go straight into it. As you can see, like my hair is not done. I had to put my headscarf on, but yeah, I'm just gonna go straight into it. So you can see like I really have like really thin eyebrows. So what you want to do, you want to get like a spoolie. You can get these in the makeup counters, like in MAC or anything. You can get it on eBay, like it's super cheap. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow hair up. So I'm just gonna do one eyebrow off camera. You just want to start off from the bottom of your eyebrows and you just start drawing the shape of your eyebrow. Yeah. Because this is quite it's a, what did they say, it's a cold waterproof eyebrow pencil, so you want to be light-handed with your when you're drawing it in, because then it will just look really dark. And then when you want, what you want to do, you just want to then follow the eyebrow hair direction going up. So you just want to fill in your eyebrows. And then what I like to then do is now start drawing the top of my eyebrows. And you always want to make sure that the start of your eyebrow is like you haven't put that much product in, because we're going to use a spoolie to kind of like blend in all the product, but then you can make the tail of your eyebrows a bit more darker. Yeah. And you then want to go ahead and go back onto your spoolie, and you just want to blend that in. This step is also the same for if you use a pomade as well. Got its shape here, got its colour here. All this lots of fingers. So when you feel as though like for example, I feel as though like here it's a bit gappy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go back to my go back and use the eyebrow pencil. So then when you're done, you then want to get your concealer of your choice. So the concealer I'm using is the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. You can use any concealer of your choice, it does not matter, like it's still gonna do the job. You just need a concealer that's about 1-2 shades lighter than your skin tone, and you're fine. You then want to get a shader brush. So the one I'm using from, I think, BH Cosmetics, and you now want to start cleaning up your eyebrows. So again, you start at the bottom of your eyebrow. And you just want to, now that you've got the shape, you now want to then do the top. So you want to have a steady hand with this, and you don't need that. For me, I don't really put that much product. Sometimes I just use like leftover products from the brush of what I used at the bottom. So now to blend this all in, you just want to now get a buffer brush and you just want to go ahead and just clean it up. Sometimes I like to like raise my eyebrows so then I don't smudge it or anything like that. And then you just want to do the same at the top. This is literally the difference. Yeah, I do feel as though like I could add more product here. And get my spoolie again. Because I have zero to no lash to no eyebrows, it's like I have to really take my time. This. So yeah, this is literally the finished eyebrow. So this is the difference. And then now you wanna, what I normally would do is, so what you can do also, if you feel as though you're using like a really light concealer, you could go back with your foundation. So you now want to go back to your concealer and conceal your eyelids. How your eyebrow should be looking like. You can also bring the concealer at the bottom. So now you want to set your eyelids using any translucent powder of your choice. So today I'm just going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to apply that with this brush here. So yeah, this is the finished look. So you can see the difference. This is how simple my eyebrow routine is. Like, it's just a lot of going back and forth with your pencil or your pomade and your spoolie and just ensuring that everything is blending in. I am going to do the other eyebrow off camera so you guys can see. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. Thank you guys for watching.